In this video, I'll show you a super effective home method to clean and restore the shine to your bathroom taps in less than a minute. Grab a small bowl and squeeze the complete juice of one fresh lime. Now, we're going to add 2 generous tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that won't scratch the faucet surface. Now comes the easy part. With a scrubbing pad or soft sponge, take some of this mixture and apply it directly onto the faucet. Rub gently in circular motions, covering all the stained areas. You'll see how the paste begins to work immediately. Once you've applied all the mixture and scrubbed well, here comes the final touch. Pour a bit of white vinegar into the empty bowl, and with the same scrubbing pad, apply it onto the faucet. This chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar helps remove even more residue. Finally, rinse everything with plenty of clean water and dry with a cloth. Just that simple. Your faucet will go from this to this, shiny as new.